Hello, and welcome back to our series on DBMS. Today, we're diving deep into the diverse landscape of data models. As we navigate through this topic, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of each model's purpose, strengths, and applications. In database management systems, DBMS, a data model is a conceptual representation of data structures and relationships among the data. It defines how data is organized and manipulated. There are several types of data models, each with its own way of organizing data. The main types of data models in DBMS include: first up, we have the entity relationship (ER) model. This model is a visual representation of the relationships between different entities in a database. It helps us understand the connections between various elements, making it an invaluable tool for database design and analysis. Next, we explore the object-oriented model. Drawing inspiration from object-oriented programming, this model represents data as objects with attributes and methods. It's particularly useful for complex data structures and supports features like inheritance and polymorphism. Now, onto the relational model, arguably the most widely used model in modern database systems. Here, data is organized into tables with rows and columns, fostering simplicity and ease of querying. Its strength lies in its ability to handle structured data efficiently. Moving along, we encounter the hierarchical model. In this model, data is organized in a tree-like structure, with each record having a single parent and multiple children. While once popular, it's now less prevalent due to its rigid nature and limitations. Following that, we have the network model, an extension of the hierarchical model. Here, records can have multiple parent and child relationships, offering greater flexibility. However, its complexity and lack of widespread adoption have led to its decline in popularity. Last but not least, we explore the semi-structured data model. Unlike traditional models, this approach embraces flexibility, allowing for varying data structures within a database. It's commonly used in NoSQL databases like MongoDB for handling semi-structured data formats such as JSON and XML. And there you have it, the main types of data models in DBMS. Each model brings its own unique set of features and capabilities, catering to different data management needs. By understanding these models, you'll be better equipped to design, implement, and optimize databases for diverse applications. In our next series of videos, we'll be diving deeper into the world of data models in database management systems, DBMS. Each video will focus on one specific type of data model, offering detailed insights and practical examples. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this exploration of data models enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy databasing!